Hello and welcome to French Class Teacher Podcast. Today we are going to talk about something very important in French pronunciation, liaison. Liaison is one of the things that makes French sound smooth and musical, but for learners it can also be confusing. When do we pronounce liaison? When is it optional? When is it forbidden? In this episode you will learn what liaison is, the main rules, pronunciation examples, and how to use it naturally. Let's begin. So, what is a liaison? In French, some final consonants are normally silent. For example, les for the, grand for tall, petit, little, and vous for you. But when after those words the next word begins with a vowel, the consonant is pronounced. This is called a liaison. Listen to this example. Les amis. Normally the S in les is silent alone. But here, for les amis, the friends, we pronounce it. Les amis arrivent. The friends are arriving. This is liaison. Why liaison is important? Liaison makes French sound natural and harmonious. Without liaison, speech sounds robotic. For example, nous avons terminé. Now with liaison, nous avons terminé. We have finished. This is how native speakers talk. You have also mandatory liaison. Some liaisons are always pronounced. Let's look at the most important ones. If you use a determiner plus a noun, example, les enfants, the children, the pronunciation will be les enfants and not les enfants. Les enfants jouent. The children are playing. Another example, un ami. So the real pronunciation, the right one, will be un ami. J'ai un ami. I have a friend. If you use a pronoun plus a verb, example, nous avons, the pronunciation will be nous avons. Nous avons fini. We finished. Another example, vous-êtes. So with the right pronunciation, it will be vous-êtes. Vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? These liaisons are always pronounced. There are also optional liaisons. Some liaisons are optional. Native speakers may pronounce them in formal speech, but not always in conversation. An example, des étudiants intelligents. So the right pronunciation will be des étudiants intelligents. About the forbidden liaison. Some liaisons are never pronounced, and this is very important. After et, which means and, example, toi et elle, you and her, there is no liaison in between. So don't say toi et elle, but toi et elle. After singular noun, there is no liaison also. Example. Un étudiant arrive. No liaison between étudiant and arrive. Do not say un étudiant arrive. A student arrives. Now let's talk about the common liaison sounds. Here are the most common liaison sounds after words finishing by a consonant and the next word beginning with a vowel. The consonant then is pronounced. If you have a S, will become a Z. For example, les amis, the friends, will be les amis. D becomes T, grand homme, a tall man. So the correct pronunciation will be grand homme. T stays T. Petit enfant will be pronounced petit enfant. N stays N. Un ami will be in the right pronunciation, un ami. These are the most important patterns. So now it's your turn. Listen and repeat after me. Les amis. Nous avons un ami, un petit enfant, très intéressant. Now I will say a sentence and try to hear the liaison. Les enfants arrivent. Nous avons un ami. Vous êtes en retard. Très intéressant. Un étudiant arrive. So liaison is essential for French pronunciation. To summarize, use liaison after determiners, after pronouns, before vowels. And the forbidden one are after et, and after singular nouns. And the best way to improve is to listen and repeat. The more you practice, the more natural your French will sound. So if you like the full transcript, the vocabulary list and practice exercise, you can visit my blog frenchclassteacher.com, complete library exercise, and this podcast is the podcast number 50. Thank you for listening and see you in the next episode.